In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a captivating glowing pulsing effect using CapCut. This effect can add a mesmerizing touch to your videos, perfect for bringing attention to your subject in a creative way. The process is straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of each step involved. To begin, you'll want to select your clip or subject. This is your starting point, so choose carefully based on what segment you want to highlight with this effect. Once you've selected your clip, navigate to the Effects tab. Here, you'll find a variety of options to enhance your video. We're looking for the glow effect to add a radiant touch. Take your time to adjust the intensity and radius of the glow, as this will help set the foundation for the desired aesthetic. Next, we'll delve into using keyframes to mimic the natural rhythm of a heartbeat. Keyframes are powerful tools that allow you to manipulate various aspects of your clip over time, such as brightness and scale. You'll want to meticulously increase and decrease these settings so they mimic the gentle rise and fall of a heartbeat. This will form the pulsing part of our glowing pulsing effect. Now, to really pull everything together, we need to sync these changes with a heartbeat sound, or the beat of your chosen music track. This adds a rhythmic element that enhances the visual effect, making it more engaging and immersive. Carefully listen and align the pulses accordingly. CapCut provides a comprehensive timeline view, which makes this part much easier. Take your time scrubbing through the timeline and adjusting the keyframe intervals to ensure perfect synchronization. Once synced, go ahead and review the effect from start to finish. Look out for fluid transitions, and check if the glow pulsates perfectly with the beat. If needed, go back and make subtle adjustments to your keyframe placements. Sometimes nailing the timing can take a couple of tries. Remember, the goal is to create a seamless and attention-grabbing visual that aligns beautifully with the sound. Finally, give this process a few repetitions if you plan to apply the effect throughout different parts of your video. Consistency is key to maintaining a professional look. The glowing pulsing effect, when repeated, can create a cohesive and dynamic feel to the entire sequence. It's a small touch that can make a big difference in overall impact. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a stunning glowing pulsing effect on CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. With practice, you'll be able to enhance your videos with this effect effortlessly. Thank you for tuning in.